with closed lid. After 4 to 5 minutes, flip it across very gently. Now our urad dal dosa is ready to serve with. You can serve this with a tomato chutney or otherwise as it is. This urad dal dosa will be a very fulfilling breakfast for the diabetic patients and as well as for you also. Make sure you make this urad dal dosa like this and share your experience with me in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, like this video and do subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Now we'll see how to make masala oats recipe. Here I have taken rolled oats half cup. Dry roast this for 2 to 3 minutes. You can take normal oats also. Add 2 teaspoons of peanuts. Roast them for again 2 to 3 minutes. Now keep it aside. In a pan, add some groundnut oil. Season with some cumin seeds. Add half onion and saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Add half tomato and saute again. Add a pinch of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it all together. Add dry roasted oats and peanuts. Add some coriander and mint leaves. Mix it all together. Now we have to cook this oats for 5 to 10 minutes in medium flame. Add 1 cup of water and let this cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Add a pinch of salt according to your taste. In between, add some water if your oats is getting dry. Cook this for 5 minutes in medium flame. After 5 to 7 minutes, mash it well so that it all blends together. Drain the water and now our masala oats is ready to serve. Garnish with some coriander leaves and mint leaves. This will be a very fulfilling breakfast for our diabetic patients because since it's into a rolled oats and this will taste like a heaven. Make sure you prepare this oats recipe and share your experience with me in the comment section below. Next we'll see how to make a wheat dosa. To make this wheat dosa, add 1 cup of wheat flour into a bowl. Add 1 cup of semolina or suji. Add 1 cup of rice flour. Add some cumin seeds. 1 tablespoon of red chili powder according to your taste. Some salt. And mix it all together. Add some water and make it to a very thin consistency batter. Same as we make it for rava dosa. Add 3 to 4 garlic cloves, some curry leaves and coriander leaves. Rest this for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, grease the tawa and pour this wheat dosa like as we do for rava dosa. That is, you are not supposed to spread this across with the spatula. You just pour this into the tawa like this. Add some oil and cook this in the medium flame. After 4 to 5 minutes, flip it over. See how delicious and super finely made this sweet dosa. Make sure you also make this with the same proportion to get this crispy wheat dosa like this. And I'm going to serve this with a peanut chutney. Do try this recipe and share your experience in the comment section below. Next we'll see how to make a paneer sandwich. To make this paneer sandwich, I have some paneer, some onion, tomato and 2 bread slices, that is wheat bread slices here. Take a pan or tawa, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil here. Saute onion to 2 to 3 minutes. Add some tomatoes and saute again. Scramble the paneer and add it. Make sure you cook this for 2 minutes. Add some red chili powder, some coriander powder and salt. Mix it all together and let this cook for 3 to 4 minutes in medium flame. After this, squeeze some lemon and mix it all together. Now our paneer is ready. Now we'll toast the bread. Toast 2 bread slices like this into the tawa or into the fulka stand. In fulka stand, don't add any oil or ghee. Let this cook for 2 minutes in low flame. Now our bread slices are ready. Add this paneer into this and make a sandwich out of it. This will be a very fulfilling breakfast recipe. Make sure you try this recipe and share your comments in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, click the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Next we'll see how to make a Ragi Dosa. To make this Ragi Dosa, dry roast some oats and Adal or poha for 3 to 4 minutes. Add this into a mixer blender. Add some red chilies, some cumin seeds and black peppercorns. Grind this coarsely. To make a batter, take 1 cup of ragi flour, add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour, the poha and oats mixture, add some rice flour also and mix it all together. Add a pinch of salt, cumin seeds and curry leaves. I have a paste of leftover rice, so I'm going to add that also. This is an optional one. Pour some water and make this into a dosa batter consistency. Mix it all together without lumps. Rest this for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, pour this ragi dosa into a seasoned tawa. You can make this dosa as it is, or otherwise you can add 1 egg to this also. I am going to add 1 egg to this to make this ragi dosa more delicious. Add some salt and sprinkle some pepper powder. Ragi dosa with a combination of egg will be very satisfying breakfast recipe for those who are suffering from diabetic. Cook this for 4 to 5 minutes in the medium flame. Flip it to the other side. Cook again for 2 to 3 minutes. Our ragi dosa with egg is ready to serve with. I'm going to serve this with a tomato chutney. You can serve this with your choice of chutney also. Do try this recipe and share your experience in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Next recipe is my favorite, mixed dal dosa. To make this mixed dal dosa, take 3/4 cup of rice or idli rice, 3/4 cup of chana dal, 1/4 cup of yellow split gram, 1/4 cup of urad dal and tuvar dal, 1/4 cup of poha to make this dosa more soft. Wash all these dals and soak this for 5 to 6 hours. So after 6 hours, we are going to make a dosa batter. Our dals are soaked well. Now take a mixie jar and add some fennel seeds, dry red chilies and some garlic cloves. Add red chili according to your taste. Add the dals to the grinder. Pour some water and grind it. First batch of batter is ready. Now grind the rest of the dals also the same way. Add some asafoetida, a pinch of salt, some more water and grind it again. Our dosa batter is ready. Mix it all together and rest this for 15 minutes. Now we'll do the seasoning. To season this, add some oil and saute 1 onion. After 3 to 4 minutes, add some curry leaves and saute again. Make sure you saute this for 2 to 3 minutes and mix this to the batter. Now our mixed dal dosa batter is ready. Now we'll make a dosa out of it. Pour the batter and spread gently. Cook this for 5 to 7 minutes in medium flame. Add some oil. You can add gingerly oil or normal groundnut oil. I'm adding here groundnut oil. After 5 to 7 minutes, flip this. Our mixed dal dosa is ready to serve with coconut chutney. If you found this video very useful, please like this video and do subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.